morning, boys and girls, friends, enemies. Yes, it is essential. A very unusual buzzing noise coming from her at the moment. Does not please me. I need some basics. Even I have to live. There doesn't seem to be any way humanly to get a Tesco booking. It just seems thoroughly impossible. Now I'm sure being on a motorbike I'll get looked at. How are you out joyriding? Well, I'm not. I'm one of the few million that have received a letter from the NHS saying stay in for 12 weeks. Yeah, okay. Do not go out. Yeah, okay. How am I supposed to get my electricity? Because, like a lot of people in this country, when I moved into that flat there was a key meter, which means you have to go and top it up. I need food. Tesco's, you can't get on the delivery slots. Absolutely pointless. Even trying. I've been trying. So what are my options? Let's see. I'll go with that electricity. Yeah, I've got candles. And I'll go with that food. I wonder how long that will last. I have two options. I don't have a car. I don't have a shop I can walk to. Well, we have a village shop, but A, the prices are slightly corrupt, and B, he doesn't stock what you would call food. So, what are my options? Can't use my car, can I? I haven't got one. Sitting on a bus with other people, coughing, sneezing, spitting. Not my idea of fun. So yeah, it is an essential journey. I'm slightly pissed off with Tesco. I've been using their delivery saver, weekly deliveries for years now. Come the mad doomsday virus, everybody's gone on to do Tesco delivery, and all their regular customers that, because I'm supposed to be staying in for 12 weeks, need it. Can't actually get onto it. So that works really well, doesn't it? Tesco supporting their loyal customer base. Yeah, right. As far as Tesco's are concerned, you can go whistle. We want money. We want to fill our slots. We are greedy. The other problem I've got, I have to shop in a little local post office down here. I have arthritic knees. One of the main reasons I keep the bike is because I can ride for hours on the bike, but half an hour in the car and I'm in pain. But walking around a supermarket is painful, and that's the reason I went on to weekly deliveries. now they've added these massive great long queues. I'm only going by what I've seen on the news. I haven't actually seen one yet. I can't see me lasting the queue without having to sit down. Yes, the government meant well. Yes, I'm sure if you're in a town and there are local food banks and charities, they will deliver food to you. They will give you a food parcel. But out here in the sticks, you have no chance. A government full of good intentions doing broadcasts on what they are achieving, when actually they're letting the more vulnerable people in society down. Because there are a lot of people worse off than me that do rely on Tesco deliveries, or other supermarkets are available, but my experience has been abysmal with Tesco. Did anybody else book a food slot? I can't even get on. They're not even coming up, they're not even showing. Just fully booked for right through into middle of April. If I'm lucky. Once the virus has eased, yeah, I'm going steady because it's icy and I doubt the critters have been out. That, and I don't particularly want an accident. So I don't know. I have a feeling that it will be a struggle. Anybody else in a similar position? A grumpy Alan, a not impressed grumpy Alan. The potholes on this road are getting worse and worse and worse. At least traffic is light. I would love to know what that little rattle is. Morning. I'm alright, you alright?
Yeah, busy one as always.